From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good Monday evening. I'm student meteorologist Lexi Cole from the Penn State Campus Weather Service, and we had quite the fantastic fall day out there. This is from earlier this afternoon. You can see here in Center County, things were looking amazing. Across Lancaster, Pittsburgh, and even Altoona, it was a picturesque fall day out there. You really couldn't ask for a whole lot better. Not a cloud in the sky, and this is what we're seeing even right now this evening. Temperatures are at 54 degrees. We have a light wind, and once again, not a cloud in the sky. It's absolutely gorgeous out there, and this is what we're seeing really all across the Commonwealth right now. You can see that we are currently at 50 degrees, Johnstown, Franklin, Bradford in the 50s, and even on the eastern side of the state, we have Williamsport and Harrisburg in the 50s. Philadelphia, the only area breaking this trend, up at 61 degrees. Now, really, all of the northeastern United States are seeing these very comfortable, cool fall-like temperatures. Plenty of sunshine, a little bit more cloud cover up to the north in the Maine area. You can see here in Columbus, we're at 58, Washington, D.C. at 62. It's just really quite temperate out there on the East Coast. And now as we look ahead at what to expect tonight, these temperatures are going to drop, especially in the southern portion of the state. And you can see up here in the northern tier of the state, this is at 4 in the morning, there are some clouds in the area, and these are actually going to keep our northern tier a little bit warmer, whereas our southern tier is going to end up a little bit cooler tonight, some areas even potentially dropping down below freezing. However, we will warm up tomorrow. All these clouds will move out of the area. We'll be up into the 60s. This is by midday tomorrow. 71 in Pittsburgh. It's looking pretty good there. So we will have a little bit of a warmer day in store for tomorrow. However, just for today, we do have a winter weather advisory in effect for the southern portion of the state. You can see a lot of Center County is involved in this winter weather advisory, along with Harrisburg, Lancaster, and a little bit of Johnstown. So if you do have any plants out there that you want to try to protect through the winter, get a little bit longer out of them, make sure you do bring those indoors tonight because it will get a little bit chilly in some of our areas in the southern tier. Now, in terms of what's keeping us so nice on the northeastern side of the United States, we have this area of high pressure that's indicated by this big blue blob right here. And it's just sitting over the East Coast, and it will maintain over the East Coast. Look at this, we're through Friday already, and that's when it starts to break down a little bit. So that means that through tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we're going to have these absolutely amazing conditions out there. Plenty of sunshine associated with high pressure, warmer temperatures. It's almost going to feel a little bit like summer out there. Now let's take a look at some of the future weather that we can expect. This is through tomorrow afternoon. Not too many clouds in the area. We will cloud up a little bit for Wednesday. Then once again, we'll clear out again for Thursday, and with some lingering clouds, we'll have those in the region for Friday. Now, as we kind of look ahead to the weekend, this is when we could see some showers in the area. But really, all in all of this precipitation back behind me is going to stay to our west, and we shouldn't have too much to deal with, leaving us with an extraordinarily nice week leading up to Halloween. However, for tonight, let's remember that it is going to get a little bit chilly out there. A low of 36 in the area with some regions of patchy frost. Wind won't be too much of a factor tonight. And for tomorrow, we'll see a high of 66 degrees. Keep an eye out for that frost early in the morning, but we'll warm up pretty rapidly. We'll have a sunny day, and it'll be absolutely gorgeous out there. Now, I did hint at some 70-degree temperatures headed our way, and you can see here on our 7-day forecast that it will not disappoint. By the time we hit Wednesday, we're expected to see temps around 70 degrees. And look at this, Thursday, Friday, even into Saturday, we're going to be seeing some of these summer-like conditions all the way towards the end of October. It's going to be absolutely fantastic out there. Luckily, this weekend, we don't even have any rain to worry about. We'll be up in the 70s, maybe just the high 60s in the area. If you're headed to the Center County Halloween parade, it'll be perfect weather. Any costumes, you shouldn't need too much of a heavy coat. So with that being said, do be sure to get out there and enjoy these 70-degree temperatures while they're around, because we just might not see them again this year. With that, I'm student meteorologist Lexi Cole. Have a fantastic Monday evening.